there that sparked your interest. The purpose of this little video is just to give you an update. My 2025 goal is to become monetized. It's not that big of a deal, but I think 1,000 subscribers is a certainly a doable goal. And if with 1,000 subscribers, I certainly think I'll meet the watch hour requirement. I just wanted to let you know, give you some expectations for the channel. If you haven't noticed, I am working on my next project, and I am working on a video for that. I work basically a week on full time and then kind of a week off, and it varies from here to there. But anyway, so I'll have maybe not a new video every week, but when I have the time off, there'll be more videos within that week off period, if that makes any sense. So anyway, it won't be like every Saturday a new video drops. It'll be, oh wow, he got 3 videos this week, and oh, I haven't seen him in a week. So just bear with me. I am enjoying doing these projects and getting content out to you. For those of you who are excited or want to see more of the Chevy pickup, I have not abandoned that project. It's just super cold here right now. And for the next things I want to do on the pickup, I would either like to have the garage door open or even the pickup outside, because I want to do some sanding and painting on the rail, on the frame. And yeah, it just in here is just not very good. Anyway, but there will be more of those pickup videos in the future, so just stick with me. You guys are the ones that are going to help me get to my goal by subscribing, giving a thumbs up every once in a while, and commenting. You'll see in my comments, I'm going to restate my goal for the channel. If there's anything that I need to do better or different, let me know. If there's questions you have about what projects I'm doing, let me know. If I don't explain something, let me know in the comment section. That helps with the algorithm, and that will make me stop talking about how many subscribers and all that stuff. But anyway, this is not going to be as short if I keep talking. So see you soon with the next installment of a real actual video. Thanks.